This is going to be the first ever POV in a Hellcat and a ZL1 in the same video, brody. Man, it's looking good outside. The sun out. It's hot outside. If y'all boys want to enter my course, man, it's only $95 a month. Boy, if you don't get... We going to start off with doing cold starts. I'm about to cold start the Hellcat first. These joints is 30. Little stock exhaust, nothing too crazy, shorty. But we will be driving the Hellcat first, y'all. Alright, let's turn that off. Now we finna start the Z. Let me know which one sound better off the startup. Which one y'all going with? This joint still got tip tags on this motherfucker. Right now, we finna pop the hood on both cars. I'm gonna start this joint up, though. Because we finna be driving this. I want this joint to warm up. Big ZL1 with the Corsa intake. Big Cat with the leg maker intake. Bro, this sun is hitting so crazy. It's making the cars look weird. The thing about this color, bro, I love this color, bro. Every single time that you pull it out, this color is going to be a different color every single time that you pull it out. It might be brighter sometimes. It might be darker sometimes. You never know. We go come back for you, man, in a minute, shorty. This video should be like 18 minutes. A little bit over 18 minutes because it's intro. So if y'all get it, y'all get it. If y'all don't, basically I'm going to just drive this car for 9 minutes. Then I'm going to drive that car for 9 minutes. But I'm going to just edit it. So it's just going to be this car 3 minutes, that car 3 minutes. This car 3 minutes, that car 3 minutes. For 18 minutes. So y'all should enjoy this. I'm low-key happy because I just been thinking about this, like, man, this is not a comparison video. This is just a strictly POV video. So we finna get some crazy little pulls and content in for y'all boys. All right, y'all, so we gonna start off the video just like this, man. I'm finna give y'all 9 minutes of happiness. Service active suspension. Huh? Definitely gotta get that together though too, cause y'all know I don't like lights. Shorty. I do not like lights. See, every time that it lose traction, we gonna turn on the traction, cause when it's off, see, look, see, it don't do that. I don't know, man. I definitely gotta get that together though, cause when I was sliding up in Detroit, it was definitely tripping. Bro, I be forgetting that I even got this joint. Bro, they be having so many fours out here, boy. You would think it's police cars out here. Damn semi truck right here, boy. Downshift? Oh my, we gonna get another one. Hold up, go to 3, go to 3. Ah! Nah, hey, bro, it's something about the cats where it's like, bro, ain't nothing better than the cat. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like my ZL1, like I made my ZL1 sound crazy too when it comes to the wine, and bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm still rocking with the cat. But that's for a whole nother video, gang. Like, you hear that? Oh my God. Like, you hear that, shorty? Fuck up out of here. Ain't nothing rocking with this joint. I ain't gonna lie, gang. No, I ain't even gonna go that way. We gonna go this way. I got so much stuff moving in the trunk. Hold up. That looked like 12. That's at the light. This is so confusing, bro. When you over here, bro, if you live over here, bro, I'm telling you, you will get so confused if it's 4 or 12. If it's just 4 little workers driving them joints around, or if it's 12. So we finna start this video up just like I did the cat. Boy, if you don't get... Alright, so y'all see how it don't really crackle in sport? How it barely crackle in sport? Now watch this, bro. It's in track mode now. Watch this. Track, this joint crackles so freaking crazy, bro. You wouldn't even believe it. Y'all hear that? Hold on, let me turn on this track, cause I'm tweaking with this freaking little semi truck right here. Bro, how this joint downshift by itself, that's so freaking cold. When I first got this joint, man, I was so surprised. Like, damn. Ain't no way this joint downshifted on its own. Damn, bro, somebody had commented, why you ain't get a manual? Cheap ass nigga, why you ain't get a manual? Cheap ass nigga, the fuck you mean why I ain't get a manual? Like, bro, this is a 10-speed automatic, bro. What you mean a fucking manual? The manual, I don't know. I think the manual like a 6-speed or something like that. He ain't even say manual. He said standard. Man, get your lame ass on. Oh, bro, Greg, you better get your lame ass on, man. I definitely feel like this car, I don't know. I kind of feel like I feel more comfortable in a Cat, so my Cat is faster for me, but I definitely feel like that this car is faster than the Cat, maybe. Now go back. Downshift? Nasty, gang. Oh my. Oh my. But you'll be surprised though, cause there don't be a lot of police over here. The only thing about that ZL1, man, that handling, shorty. That handling, boy, you feel like you in a little ass go-kart. It just ain't nothing beating this supercharger. Ain't nothing. I will let you go in front of me, but that shit over with. We ain't stopping. They got so many cameras, though. Oh. for no reason. I ain't even using it. Look. Tastes like candy. I beat you to it, little boy. I beat you to it, Mero. He tried to take the shortcut. I went around. Oh. This motherfucker like that. I ain't gonna. Oh my God. Slow down. Slow down. Slow it down, Davo. Slow it down. Man, ain't nothing. Do y'all hear that? Ain't nothing beating this, bro. Get a cat. Get a leg maker. And do this. Ain't nothing beating it. Ain't nothing beating it. Hold up. Oh. Oh. Oh, shit. Bro, I am tweaking this car out. This car is gonna be done with me. And I ain't drove like that. I'm fake stumping on it like this. Gotta take it easy. Man, I bought a cat just to do that. I bought a cat just to do that. Let me do. It's more beautiful over here than you might think. I don't know how I look from the camera, but shit might look a little bit fucked up, but look kind of decent. Keep on having problems with my phone dying, so I'm gonna rev real quick for y'all boys. Nah, but I keep about to turn that way and don't. Roll that up. I be treating this joint like a racetrack. This street, I treat this motherfucker like a racetrack. Oh, this motherfucker, it is bumpy. This motherfucker bumpy. Oh. Camera. This joint get up so crazy, bro. Y'all want your boy Pat Pat? Y'all be commenting, bro, stop Pat Patting the ZL1. I'm so fried. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm so fried in my head. I can't stop. I'm a Hellcat boy. I can't stop. Anything that I drive, that motherfucker is getting patted. Damn! Bro, this young boy driving slow as hell. I just be trying to motivate y'all boys, really. And one thing about me, though, y'all, I'm the type of person where, bro, I'm going to record and I'm going to pick up the camera and figure out to record something or pop out and do something by myself if I have to. Like, bro, I ain't waiting around asking bro, you want to get in content, man? Like, you do not need a group of people to get in content, man. I just want y'all to know that, bro. Like, just get outside, because I've been doing this. If y'all look at my older videos, bro, I've been getting outside by myself, bro, dropping every single day, popping out by myself, just driving. Sometimes that's what you gotta do, bro. I know last time we made that left and went that way, I think we just go keep straight, probably. Yeah, we go keep straight this time. Oh my God. Fuck! Y'all gotta, man, these freaking roads finna piss me off, bro. I should've got a regular ZL1, bro. This freaking one that lead, man. Alright, y'all boys, I'm finna get up out of here. It's been your boy Dave, and I'm out, gang. Peace! Hit that like button, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. More videos to come. More cat videos to come.